Dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics and we are in the chapter of limits and continuity. Okay, I think this is the 9th class. 8 classes we have finished. No, 8, not 8. 40 questions means uh, 6, 8, 10 classes we have finished. Okay, this is 11th class. I think one more class is required to finish this chapter. Let us see the question number 41, MSET 2017 question. Actually, this is a big question. It will take time, but we will do some shortcut things, or what we can say. We don't do elaborately, but we will see why. Because this is MSET question only. Steps are not required. I am going to show you how answer is going to be come under. Okay. What they are asking, you see, define f function mapping from real number to real number. That means domain and range both are real numbers by f of x. What is the function? Greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x. This is greatest integer x. Bracket x denotes greatest integer function. Then the set of points at which the f is continuous. Continuity, how we are going to check? Limit you apply and see r minus z they are asking, r they are asking, r plus they are asking, n also they are asking. Okay. N means for all 1 to infinity, all numbers it has to satisfy. First we will see n. R means all these numbers are continuous, contained by n. R plus means r plus contain n also. Okay, but not this r minus z. Why? Because the negative integers are also there. R means all will come, but answer is r. How it is going to come under, I am going to explain. First, we will do one thing. Where we are going to test this continuity? We will test at 0. You see, I am writing. Logically, I am writing. Okay. X to test at 0. At 1 for n. If both are satisfied, positive direction, then test at 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 also okay, these 3, then we can say r plus n. Okay, see, I am drawing the figure here. This is minus infinity plus infinity. This is 0. Minus infinity to plus infinity, all are there means r. After 0, but not including 0. Why? Because r plus, if you put automatically all positive real numbers here. But it may not contain 0. Okay. R plus. R means this minus side plus side, all numbers it has to satisfy. Okay. See, 1 by 2. These are all at 0 and positive side only. What about negative side? That means at minus 1, at minus 1 by 2. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If these 5 if you test, then automatically you are going to know this answer. Actually, the answer is this one only. Okay. See how I am going to test this here, one by one. Okay, see, 0 means LHS, LHL, RHL, right hand limit, left hand limit, we have to see. Okay, you see, limit x tends to 0 minus, left hand limit I am seeing. What is the function? Greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x. Okay, see, rough work I am doing here. See, here only I am, okay, let it be, I will draw here. 0 minus, you see, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. If we do 0 minus, the greatest integer function gives minus 1. But without greatest integer x is there, this x is 0 only. That we keep in our mind. Okay? 0 minus means minus 1, 0 plus means 0. But it is always less number, integer it has to take. 0 something if you do, see 1 if you do 1 will come, 0 plus something if you do but not 1 then 0 will come, minus 1 plus something if you do but not 0 means minus 1 will come, 0 minus means minus 1 will come. Okay, this answer is, this term is minus 1 plus square root of, see 0 you are doing means, see this is not a greatest integer function ordinary, that means 0 only will come, minus again greatest integer function minus 1. Okay, that means you see minus of minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus of minus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, under root also 1 only, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is going to be 0. Okay? This is what? This is LH, L, left hand limit for 0. But because this we are seeing. Now we go for RHL, right hand limit. Okay? Limit x tends to 0 plus greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x. That is equal to. Now see here, 0 plus you are giving, 0 plus if you do automatically 0 will come, greatest integer function. That means this function going to be 0 plus square root of. 0 plus you are giving but not greatest function, ordinary means 0 you have to give. Minus. 0 plus you are giving, greatest integer, 0 will come. 0. That is equal to. You see everything is 0 only here. 0. Now you tell me, LHL also 0, RHL also 0. Like left hand limit, right hand limit, both are 0. That means it is continuous at 0. They are asking continuity. Continuous at 0. See, I am marking this. At 0 it is continuous. Okay? Okay. Now where we see at 1. Okay? Let me see at 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus 1, left hand limit I am taking. 1 minus greatest integer x plus x minus greatest integer x under root is equal to. Again I am drawing figure. Why? Because this figure I have to change always. Okay, 1, see, 0 is here, 1 is here, okay, 2 is here. See here, 1 plus if you give 1 will come, 1 minus if you give 0 comes. For greatest integer function I am talking about. 1 minus if you give 0 will come. 1 plus if you give 1 will come. Okay? 1 minus we are giving means here what will come? 0 will come. 0 plus square root of. See, this is not a function, ordinary x. X means 1 only I have to give. 1 minus. Again 1 minus 0. See, 1 minus 0 is 1. Under root is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. That means this is 1. This is what? This is left hand limit. Left hand limit for 1. Now go for right hand limit for 1. Limit x tends to 1 plus greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x. That is equal to. Now come back again. See, greatest integer function 1 plus if you go 1 will come. That means here it is going to come 1 plus square root of. 1 plus means here also 1 only will come. Why? Because see, 1 plus 1 minus for ordinary 1 only. 0 plus 0 minus ordinary 0 only. Okay? Greatest integer function means according to situation it will come. Here situation 1 plus means 1 will come. That means see here 1 minus 1. That means see 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1. Now you tell me at 1 LHL also RHL both left hand limit and right hand limit both are 1, both are equal. That means this function is continuous at 1 also. Then I am marking this 1 also. Okay? Okay. Now go for next. Okay. Now you see at 1 it is okay, means it is continuous at n. But is it not? Is it only at continuous at n? No, we have to check. Why? Because see, only at n means 0 it will not satisfy. Why? Because 0 is not in n. Okay, that is why 0 also satisfied, 1 also continued. Now we will see 1 by 2. If you see 1 by 2, automatically 0 plus this thing, r plus will come. Let me see 1 plus only, sorry, not 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 I am seeing. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, let me see. Limit x tends to 1 by 2 minus greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x is equal to. See, here I am writing the figure. This is 0, this is 1, this is minus 1. Now you tell me 1 by 2 means here will come 1 by 2 plus or minus, both are going to give 0 only. Why? Because 1 by 2 is not an integer. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus, both gives 0 only. For greatest integer function I am talking about. Okay? That means greatest integer function gives 0 plus square root of. But in x area it has to do 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you add plus sorry minus 0. Okay, what will come? 1 by root 2 will come. 1 by root 2. Okay, this is what? This is left hand limit. Then go for right hand limit. X tends to 1 by 2 plus greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x is equal to 1 by 2 plus also minus also, both are going to give 0 means I think we need not to do this again. 1 by root 2 only it is going to come. Why? Because see, this is going to become 0 plus square root of 1 by 2 minus 0 only going to come. 1 by root 2 only going to come. Why? Because see here we are giving 1 by 2, not integer. 1 by 2 plus or 1 by 2 minus, both are going to give 0 only. Why? Because see, if you give 1 then 1, if you give 0 then 0. In between 0 and 1, whatever number you give, it is going to come 0 only for greatest integer function. That is why this is continuous at 1 by 2 also. Now we can say that positive side all numbers are continuous. That means see, r plus is okay, n is okay. Okay. Now you see r minus z we have not yet gone. Why? Because r comes means negative side also it is going to represent. Negative we have not yet gone. Okay, that is why I have marked this. Now I have to see negative side, these two. Why? Because this is also okay. Now I want to write here. At 1 by 2 also it is continuous. Now I will see minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. If in these two areas also this function is continuous, automatically this is going to become r answer. Why? Because every number it is going to be continuous like. Okay. Now there is no space. I am going to rub this. Okay. Pause and note down. We will check for continuity at minus 1 and 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Now see, we will check at minus 1 now. Minus 1 means this side also we are going to give integer, negative integer or something like. Okay. Limit x tends to 0, minus 1 minus. Even though minus, but minus 1, but minus 1 minus, minus 1 plus both are there. Greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x is equal to. Okay. Now you see what I am drawing here. Minus 1 means see, this is 0 like you think, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Okay. See, minus 1 minus means minus 2 is going to come. Minus 1 plus means minus 1 is going to come. Why? Because minus 1 is an integer. Minus 1 plus means minus 1 will come. Minus 1 minus means minus 2 it is going to come. Okay, greatest integer function. Okay, now minus 2. Minus 2 plus square root of. But here it is normal function. Minus 1 means minus 1 only have to do. Minus 1 minus of. Again minus 1 minus means minus 2. That means minus 2 means here minus of minus 2. Minus minus 2. Minus 2 of minus 2. Plus 2. 2 minus 1. 1. 1 minus 2. Minus 1. Okay. See, this function gives you minus 2. But already outside minus is there. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. 2 minus 1. 1. Under root means 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 is your left hand limit. For minus 1. And go for limit x tends to minus 1 plus right hand side of this one. Okay. Greatest integer x minus greatest integer x under root is equal to. You see here minus 1 plus if you give minus 1 will come. Okay. Minus 1. That means here minus 1 equal plus square root of here minus 1 only again minus 1 plus means again minus 1 will come. Okay. Now you write down here minus 1. Okay. Now that is equal to, you see, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. Now the function is continuous at even negative integer also. This is integer, minus 1 means. Okay, negative integer also. That means you mark this. Now see, we have not yet seen minus 1 by 2. If it is satisfied at minus 1 by 2, then we can cross mark r. That means every real number, minus infinity plus infinity, all this is continuous like. Okay. Now let us go for minus 1 by 2 also. Now let us go for minus 1 by 2. Okay. Limit x tends to minus 1 by 2 minus. Okay. Greatest integer x plus square root of x minus greatest integer x is equal to. Okay. You see, minus 1 by 2 means, see, this is 0, this is 1, minus 1. Sorry, not 1, minus 1. Now you tell me minus 1 by 2 means here only minus 1 by 2 plus or minus, it is going to come minus 1 only. Minus 1 by 2 plus, minus 1 by 2 minus, both values are going to be minus 1 only. Why? Because greatest integer function means least side of integer it is going to be. 0 it is not going to become. Minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2 minus. That means, see, for minus 1 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2 minus, for both same value is going to come. That is why I have written like this, and with one go we will do this. Okay. So now you tell me minus 1 by 2 or plus or minus 1 by 2 minus. If you give minus 1 will come. Then you write minus 1 plus square root of. But minus 1 by 2 or plus or minus, if you do ordinary function means minus 1 by 2 you have to write. That means here you have to write minus 1 by 2 minus. Again minus 1. Here whatever comes, here that comes. That means minus 1 you write. Okay. Now you see, plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will come. That means, see, minus 1 plus 1 by root 2 will come. This is for 1 minus 1 by 2 plus also same thing is going to come. Okay. That means the function is continuous at minus 1 by 2 also. Now finally we can say that function is continuous at R. Why? Because R we have covered. 0 we have covered, positive integer, negative integer, positive real number, negative real number. Okay, real number means this is rational number. Okay, rational number. R we have covered. That is why the function is continuous on R, like we can say. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 42. The value that should be assigned to f of 0 so that the function f of x is equal to x plus 1 whole to the power of cot x is continuous at x is equal to 0. It is continuous at x is equal to 0 means how we are going to tackle this question? We find the limit, that's all, simply. Limit extends to 0, write this function. X plus 1 whole to the power of cot x. Okay? If this limit, whatever the answer comes, that answer is your this thing. Okay? Now you tell me such type of limit extends to 0 or limit extends to infinity f of x whole power g of x means one formula we were writing. E power limit f of x minus 1 into g of x. Okay, that formula we will write. That means e power limit extends to 0 f of x minus 1 into g of x. Is it okay? Yes. Now you cancel these two. This is going to become like this. E power limit extends to 0 x cot x. Okay. Now we can modify this. E power limit extends to 0 x by tan x. Okay. Cot x means 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x. Okay. We know one formula, tan x by x is equal to 1. Then again I am going to change this. You see, e power limit extends to 0 1 by tan x by x. Denominator is numerator. Okay. Now this value is 1. That means, see, we can write e power 1 by 1, that is equal to e. Okay. This is answer for this question. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 43. Answer 2017 question. Define f of x 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x whole square if x is not equal to pi by 2. If x is equal to pi by 2, the function is k. X is equal to pi by 2, function is k, okay. But if x is equal to not pi by 2, why they are writing? You see, pi by 2 into 2 will get cancelled, pi minus pi 0. Sin pi by 2 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 by 0 is going to come, that is why not equal to pi by 2 they have written. Okay. If f of x is continuous, that means this function is continuous. That means limit extends to where it is continuous, at x pi by 2. That means see what is the value of x means see at x is equal to pi by 2 these two values are same. That means see you find this value at x is equal to pi by 2 with a limit, then the value is going to give you your value of k. Okay? That you have to understand. Let us proceed then. Okay? Let us proceed then. You see limit x tends to pi by 2 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x whole square. Okay? Now we cannot apply pi by 2, you know, then you do L'Hospital rule. Okay, L'Hospital rule means say this is going to become 0. The limit x tends to pi by 2 0 minus d by dx of sin x is cos x divided by, first you take this as x square 2x 2 into pi minus 2x. Okay, again d by dx of pi is 0 minus 2x means minus 2, that means see again with minus 2. Finally it is going to become like this. You see limit x tends to pi by 2 minus cos x by minus 4 into pi minus 2x. Is it okay? 2 into minus 2. Why the minus 2 came from here? 2 into minus 2. Minus 4 into pi minus 2x. Now cancel this pi minus minus. Okay. Now can you give now itself? No. Why? Because see even still numerator is okay. Cos pi by 2. No, numerator also 0 will come. Denominator still 2 into pi by 2 means pi will come. Pi minus pi is 0. 0 by 0. Even the denominator 0 also not acceptable. Once again you do L'Hospital. That means differentiation. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Okay. D by dx of cos x minus sin x divided by d by dx of see 4 into d by dx of pi is 0. Okay, d by dx of minus 2x means minus 2. Okay, now let me finalize this. You see minus 8 will come. Minus 8 means automatically minus minus going to get cancelled out. Okay, limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x by 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, now you tell me, can we apply now? Why? Definitely. Why? Because see, denominator x is not there. That is why denominator pi by 2 will not go. Sin pi by 2 is 1 by 8. This is the value of k. That's all. Understand? Okay. Let us go. Okay, this is also like last question only. You see, function mapping from real number to real number R to R is defined by f of x when x is not equal to 0, when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, constant a is coming. When x is not equal to 0, 2 sin x minus sin 2x by 2x cos x is going to come. And also mentioning the value of the, find the value of a so that function is continuous at x is equal to 0. That means he himself mentioning function is continuous at x is equal to 0 means limit x is equal to 0, x tends to 0 you find it. Limit x tends to 0, okay, 2 sin x minus sin 2x by 2x cos x. You have to find. Whatever the value comes, that value is going to give your a. Why? Because this limit is equal at x is equal to 0, this is the value. You are applying the limit. Okay, at x is equal to 0. Then the value comes, that is the value of a. Let us see what will happen. You see what I am doing now? Limit x tends to 0, sin 2x shall write 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x minus 2 sin x cos x by 2 x cos x. Okay. Now see, 2 you take common, 2 get cancelled like you think. Okay. Now you write down limit x tends to 0, sin x minus sin x cos x divided by x cos x. While 2 and 2 got cancelled. Okay. Now again sin x you can take common. Write down limit x tends to 0, sin x if I take common 1 minus cos x. Sin x minus sin x cos x. Sin x minus sin x cos x divided by x cos x. Okay. Now if you observe carefully, multiplication splitting we can do. Sin x by x is 1. Okay. Let us do it. Multiplication splitting. Okay. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by cos x. Okay. See, even though this is going to be 1, this is going to be 0. Why? Because see, cos 0 is 1 denominator, but here cos 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. 0. That means implies a value 0. Understand the logic? Okay. Now we stop this class. We will continue in the next class from question number 45 to 48 and we will close this chapter. Okay. Thank you very much.